Okay, so it is sum number 1, right? So, ready? Page 49, sum number 1. Page 49, sum number 1. Alright? Okay, I'm going to read. On Saturday, 1,015 people went on a cruise. On Sunday, 1,608 people went on a cruise. How many people went on a cruise over the 2 days? Now, highlight over the 2 days. Highlight over the 2 days and also highlight Saturday and highlight Sunday. Okay? So, we have 2 days. Alright? Yeah? Saturday and Sunday. People went on a cruise. A cruise is a holiday on a ship. Okay? That's what a cruise means. Alright? So, on Saturday, one group of people went. On Sunday, another group of people went. What we are trying to find out, how many people went on both the days. So I'm going to draw, watch the board, okay? I'm going to draw the bar. So again I'm going to use, no, this time I'm not going to use 8. I will probably use, or maybe yeah, let's stick with 8. Alright? Let's stick with 8. So 8 lines. Alright? Now which one comes first, Saturday or Sunday? Don't draw first, listen first. Don't draw, listen first. Which one comes first, Saturday or Sunday?
Saturday.
Sunday?
Saturday.
Saturday comes first. Now look at the numbers. Which day is more? Saturday is more or Sunday is more?
Sunday.
Sunday is more. So my Saturday is going to be 3 and my Sunday is going to be 5. So this time the 3 is in the front. Okay? Normally we do 3 at the back, right? This time I'm going to be in the front and 5 at the back. So total number of boxes is how many? 8, like normal. Okay? So Saturday is how many people? How many people on Saturday?
1,050.
1,050. How many people on Sunday?
1,608.
What are we supposed to find out? How many people went on the cruise on both the days? So what should I do? Add, subtract, multiply, divide what? Add. So 1,050 plus 1,608 is equal to my working column. How many boxes?
4.
Please count correctly and draw, okay? It should be 4, not 5, not 8, not 3, okay? 4. From the end, 4. So, what's my total number?
650.
Okay, do I need to write a statement?
Yes.
Now, remember, the statement is always matching to the question. So, you don't have to think of something different. You look at the question. How many people went on the cruise on the over the 2 days? So, you can write down 2,568 people went on the cruise over the 2 days. Alright? So answer should always match the question. Alright? And once I'm done, what do I do? Leave a line, draw a line. Leave a line, draw a line. Okay? Alright, now do. Now do. Okay. So, page 47. Alright? Okay. Write the date. Write the date, page 47. Oh, it's already there. Yesterday's date, is it? Okay, alright. So I'm just going to read. Have we highlighted anything? No. Okay, so I'm going to read it. Katie has 1,532. No, you need to finish. Nabia and Rogan, you need to finish this. Okay? Kaylee has 1,532 stamps. She has 354 more stamps than Bala. Now over here, what is the keyword? More. Highlight more. How many stamps does Bala have? Okay. Now, first of all, what we need to do is understand the problem. Who has fewer stamps? Kaylee or Bala? Bala. So you write down Bala. There is a blank over there. Write down Bala. The answer is Bala. Who has the correct way of solving the problem? Now look at the two models. There are two models that are drawn. Okay. So one is drawn correctly and one is drawn wrongly. Alright. So Amy and David have drawn the two models. Now you must understand the problem first. There are two people. There is Kaylee and there is Bala. Okay. Bala has 1,532. Kaylee has more than Bala. 354 more than Bala. So whose bar will be longer? Yes. Whose bar will be longer? Okay. If you don't know the answer, please don't put up your hand. Yes. Whose bar will be longer? Not Annie. There are two people. It's Kaylee and Bala. Annie and David have drawn the models. They are not the people who have the stamps. They've just drawn the models. Alright? Now, the problem is there is Kaylee and Bala. Bala has 1,532 stamps. Kaylee has 1,532 stamps. She has 354 more stamps than Bala. So whose bar will be longer? Who has more stamps? Yes, Christine. Kaylee. So her bar will be longer. Now look at Amy's bar. Amy's bar is Kaylee's bar longer? It is smaller. So that means hers is wrong. Her model is wrong, right? David's model is correct. Where Kaylee's bar is long, Bala's bar is short. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. So whose way is correct? David. So in the blank write down David. B. The B. There is a blank next to problem. Write down David. Alright? Now C. Which answer is more likely to be correct? You need to tick the box. Bala has 1,886 stamps or Bala has 1,178 stamps. Miss Sarah, you put up your hand but you don't know the answer. You always keep putting up your hand but you don't seem to know the answer. Yes, Haya.
1,100.
Yes, Bala cannot. Yes, that's correct. Bala has 1,178. That is the correct. Why, Haya? Why?
Because Bala's one is less than Kaylee's.
Yes, because Bala's one is less than Kaylee's one. Kaylee has only 1,532. So how can Bala have 1,800? 1,800 is more than 1,500, right? Yes. So it cannot be Kaylee's one is 1,005 and Bala is less than that. So the number has to be less than 1,005. Okay? Alright, turn the page, next page. Now, Mrs. Naidu has, write the date. Write the date, please. Okay, Mrs. Naidu had 5,000. She bought a bedroom set for 2,356 and a sofa set for 1,785. So, what is happening over here? Mrs. Naidu has certain amount of money. Yes? And she bought how many things? How many things did she buy? Somebody else can answer, please. Yes, Kriti.
She bought the bedroom.
How many things? I didn't say what she bought. two things. Yes. She bought two sets. One is a bedroom set, one is a sofa set. Okay. Do we know the price of the bedroom set?
No. Yeah.
Yes. Do we know the price of the sofa set?
Yes.
Yes. Children, it's very important that in word problems you read and understand. Your mind should not have other things in it. If you have other things in it, you will never be able to understand the word problem. When you're reading the word problem, concentrate on the word problem. Understand it. Okay? It's simple. It's not so difficult. You just need to concentrate. If you follow and concentrate, you can get it. Okay? Alright. Now A. How much did the Mrs. Naidu pay for the bedroom set? I'm reading from the book. Please don't look somewhere else. Okay? How much did she pay for the bedroom set? Just say the answer, please. Yes, Christina. Correct. So write in the box. 2,356. There's a box next to the question, right? Okay. Next, how much did Mrs. Naidu pay for the sofa set? Yes, Nabia.
1,785.
Correct. So write in the box 1,785. Write in the box. Okay. Now we have two models again over here. Now Kaylee and David are thinking of these models. Fill in the missing numbers in their thought bubbles. Okay. So first is Kaylee's model. Now you can see the bedroom set. Can you see the bar for bedroom set?
Yes.
Can you look inside the bar? There is a blank with a dollar sign there. Can you see that? So what should you write there next to the dollar sign? The number. How much is the bedroom set? Just write 2,356. Write down there. Inside the bar. Okay? How much is the sofa set? 1,785. Write down inside the bar. Okay? Now below, can you see the two boxes? So write down both the numbers again. 2,356 plus 1,785. Write down the numbers again. 2,356 and 1,785. So what are you supposed to do? You're supposed to do what? Add. So in your book, draw a working column on the right, on the left hand side. Draw a working column and add 2,356 plus 1,785. What's the answer? Yes.
4141.
Yes, 4141. Correct. So write down the answer in the box. Okay? Alright? Okay, now David's model. Alright? Now David's model is the same, but what he has done is he's drawn only one bar. Instead of drawing two different bars, he has only drawn one bar. Alright? Now again write down the numbers in the bar. Now the first one is 2,356, the blank. Write down on the blank inside the bar. 2,356 and the other side is 1,785. Then even write down in the boxes below. Sarah, I don't understand why you're not writing anything. You've written it? Both the models? Okay. So the answer, will it be different or will it be the same?
Same.
Do I need to do the working again?
No.
If the answer will be the same because the numbers are the same, right? So write down the answer 4141. Now, looking at the two models, which model would you choose to solve the problem and why? Now there are two different models, right? One is with 2 bars, one is with 1 bar. So looking at both of them, whose one would you choose? Would you choose Kaylee's one or would you choose David's one? Yes, Raisa.
David.
Why? Because the thing is why? Why?
Because
Because? Because it is same number. Is it the same number?
yeah.
No, it's not the same number. Yes. Why?
Because it says where is the which one is the second step, which one is the first step.
Because of that. Because of that, you want to use the Kaylee's. Alright, I think David's one is easier. Why? Because the problem doesn't say to find the difference between the both. Does it say to find difference?
No.
Does it say that how much more does the bedroom set cost? Does it say that? We don't have to find the difference. All we need to find out is the total. Right?
Yes.
So we can just use 1 bar. Why do we need to draw 2 different bars? We can just draw what we did here. Right? We don't need to draw 2 different bars. So I think David's one is easier. Not correct. Both are correct. David's is more easier. Okay? Or more better. Is better as we only need to find out the total spent, right? That's what we are finding out. How much was spent on all the furniture? We are not finding out the difference.
Miss Shweta, you said you wrote we need out the
To find out. We need to find out the total spent on the furniture. Okay? Alright? Oh, you're not doing this page. This page finished. Now I'm doing this page.